How to use Higgsfield's AI for your clothing brand. So for that, what you'll have to do is make sure you're signed into Higgsfields.ai. From there, you can go simply to this email section. You'll have to hover it and then you'll simply scroll down till you find Fashion Factory. So simply press on the Fashion Factory. Now you will see easily create branded photo shoots by combining your product with a consistent character. So simply press on select template. So here you can see different templates. So let's go with Red Room. So you can simply press that and press on next. Now here you can see that you can simply go ahead build your own character. Also you can select from the characters that are here. So now what you can do is you can simply go ahead press on create character. So you can see different faces for your character. You can also upload the photos you want. So you can simply go ahead and then on the character you can simply select if they have provided you any character, and then you can simply create character based on the photos they provide. So here you can see 20 plus photos recommended, one person, clear face, multiple angles, so avoid duplicates, group search, filter face coverings for consistent photos. So you can go there and do that, and once you do that, what you'll have to do is simply go to the clothing section where you will be available with clothing. And once you go to the clothing, you will be able to provide your own clothes, and the clothes will get applied to your character that you have selected. So that's it for the video. Hopefully it helped. Thank you.